Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and let me show you how to access and use test mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, and then enter a secret code, which is *pound or *pound. And as you can see, now we are in test mode, where you can check some features in your device. So if you have any doubts if it's not working due to some application or due to the device itself, just enter this code and then check it. So let's start with display. Red, as you can see, it's working correct. Then green, it is also proper. Blue, perfect. Then let's check the receiver. It's working correctly, as we can hear. Vibration, as you can hear, as I can feel, it is working properly. And also we can check camera, sensors, touch, speaker. We can check the speaker also. As you can hear, it's working properly. And finally, let's check the black display. Here it is, it's working properly. You have to tap on power key to switch it off. And that would be all. This is how you can activate and use test mode in your Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. If you have any doubts, smoothly enter this code and test your Samsung. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.